Smart lock installation tutorial. Front lock, rear lock, rear locking gasket, lock tongue, lining board, lining rubber pad, screw tube, square pole, card, lock tongue lining plate screws, rear lock fixing screw, bamboo screw, key. Adjust the locking tongue. Measure whether the distance between the door thickness and the center is 2.36 inches. If it is 2.36 inches, there is no need to adjust the locking tongue. If the distance between the door thickness and the center is 2.76 inches, the locking tongue needs to be rotated to 2.76 inches. Install the locking tongue and place it into the groove of the door frame. Tilt your tongue inward towards the door. At the screw hole position, tighten the locking tongue fixing screw. Preparation operation for rear lock. Adjust the direction of the handle according to the requirements. Loosen the reverse screw of the rear handle. The door opening direction in the video is right, with the handle facing left. Tighten the handle reversing screw at the screw hole. The adjustment is completed when the handle rebounds. Open the rear lock battery cover and remove the battery. Thread the bamboo screw through the screw hole of the rear locking washer. Measure the length of bamboo screws based on the thickness of the door. Fit the door frame with a distance shorter than 1 centimeter from the door frame. Mark and cut off the excess parts. Cut off the excess part with pliers. Preparation operation for front lock. Adjust the direction of the front handle according to the requirements. Lift the handle upwards and loosen the front handle reversing screw. The door opening direction in the video is right, with the handle facing to the right. Lift the handle upwards and tighten the front handle reversing screw at the screw hole. Release the handle. The adjustment is completed when the handle rebounds. After adjustment, both the front and rear handles face outward. Install the locking screw before installation. Tighten with pliers. Insert the square rod into the front lock square hole. Install the front lock and thread the power cord through the door opening. Align the front lock square rod with the lock body square hole and install it. Measure the reserved length of the square pole from the face of the indoor door, ranging from 1.18 inches to 1.57 inches. Mark and cut off the excess parts. Install the locking gasket after installation. Thread the front lock power cord through the rear lock gasket. Tighten the bamboo screw into the screw hole of the rear lock washer. Don't tighten it yet, there is a certain degree of looseness. It is convenient for subsequent adjustment. Adjust the front lock. Adjust the locking gasket after adjustment. Attention, the square rod needs to be at the center of the gasket hole. Tighten the bamboo screws again. Install the rear lock and connect the power cords at the front. Insert the excess power cord into the door gap to prevent it from being crushed. Align the circular hole of the rear lock with the square rod of the front lock and install it. Install the rear lock fixing screw into the rear lock screw hole. Install for no 5 batteries. Press and hold the set button until the prompt sound appears. Press the well key on the front lock to initialize. Close the battery cover. Installation completed. Fingerprint unlocking. Password unlocking. Card unlocking. Key unlocking.